In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Astam Mukhtar Chima and you're watching Bahawalpur TV. In today's video, I will tell you 5 easy and practical steps to keep your indoor plants alive and beautiful. Before we get on with today's video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. So first thing is right amount of light. Place plants near bright window with indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh direct sun. If leaves of plant are pale or stretching, then your plant need more light. However, if leaves are burnt or crispy, it means too much exposure to sun. Second key thing is watering or irrigation. Never water your plants on fixed schedule. Check the soil before irrigation or watering your plants. Put your finger 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, then water. If it's moist, then wait for some time or few days. Make sure pot has drainage hole. Next one is right soil mix. Use light, airy, well-drained soil which have 40% coco peat, 30% compost and 30% sand or perlite. If water sits on top, then soil is too heavy. Next one is fertilizer application. Apply fertilizers to your indoor plants every 2 to 3 weeks. You can use liquid fertilizer and compost tea as well. Always use half strength or half dose because overfeeding will lead to root damage. Next one is cleaning and pruning. Remove yellow and older leaves regularly. Clean dust from leaves because dust blocks sunlight which slows growth of the plant. Pruning also enhances the sunlight exposure and a better look to the plant. That's all from today's video. If you find this video informative and interesting, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video with your friends and family. Do let me know your thoughts, comments and questions related to plants and gardening in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.